Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make taco quesadillas updated. Start by prepping fillings, grating cheese, and warming tortillas before assembling. Choose proteins like seasoned beef, shredded chicken, or spiced beans for a quick taco twist. Add fresh cilantro, diced onion, and a squeeze of lime for brightness. Fold or stack tortillas with a 50% cheese ratio, then cook slowly on medium heat until golden and melty, and serve. Begin by selecting fillings that balance flavor, texture, and moisture for easy assembly. Use seasoned beef, shredded chicken, or seasoned beans as your base, then stir in diced peppers or corn for crunch. Mix cheeses like cheddar and Monterey Jack for stretch and flavor, and keep liquids minimal to avoid soggy tortillas. Layer ingredients evenly, press gently to seal, and cook until the cheese binds everything together into a crisp, golden pocket. Control heat to get a crispy exterior and fully melted interior without burning the tortilla. Use a non-stick skillet or a light brush of oil, and press gently with a spatula to compact fillings and promote even melting. Flip carefully once the first side is golden brown, then finish the second side until crisp. Rest for a minute after cooking so the cheese firms slightly, then slice into wedges for easy dipping and serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.